morning, everyone. We are small and round and we grow in bunches. We are purple, red or greenish yellow. You can eat as fresh or can make wine and raisins. Our juices, jams and jellies will make you green. We have lots of sugar to energize you. We are mostly sweet but a little sour too. Can you guess who we are? Yes, we are grapes. Friends, we are not just cute and tasty but good for your health. We have lots of vitamins and antioxidants. We are good for heart, excellent for eyes and bones. We make you look young and are anti-cancer too. So what are you waiting for? Start eating grapes, and not just grapes. Eat all the fruits and vegetables. Stay healthy, stay fit, because a healthy mind stays in a healthy body.